The iPhone, a prestigious product used by millions of people every day, every hour, every minute, every second. In fact, it needs no introduction since you all already know everything there is to know about this flagship phone too overpriced for its own worth. And on the other side, you have saltwater. We all love to swim in it, ride its waves, and explore its vast oceans. But you know who doesn't like saltwater? The iPhone. Well, actually all devices hate saltwater, but for the purpose of this video, it's just the iPhone. But Josh, did you really waste such an expensive item for a stupid YouTube video? And the short answer is no, of course not. I'm poor as heck. I just found an abandoned phone inside of the rock pools at a beach and thought it'd be a great once-in-a-lifetime video to make. Now I can hear you furiously typing. You took someone's phone without returning it and then used it for a stupid YouTube video?
Yes, you're damn right I did. And I'd do it again in a heartbeat. Okay. All jokes aside, the phone was clogged with sand under its screen protector, the buttons could no longer be pushed in, and the charging port was beginning to rust. So, I don't know how long it takes for that to happen, but in a hypothetical situation that I was able to return it to its owner, I can't imagine they'd be doing a whole lot with it anyways. But, imagine no more, as this is the video where we open up the inside of the iPhone 14 Pro Max to see how it fares against nature's greatest weapon, the ocean.
After a good wash, I peeled away the screen protector and removed some of the sand that rested underneath. If you ask me, the phone looks pretty good. The outside is pretty pristine except for the crack on the side, but the back is pretty nice except for the fog in the camera. However guys, it's not about the beauty you see on the outside, but the stuff on the inside that determines quality. Remember that for the next time you decide to simp over a TikToker. But anyways, as you can see, I'm trying to pry open the screen with a knife, and it actually works out. You might be wondering why I'm using a knife. It's because I'm on holiday and I don't actually have any proper tools, but let's even say I was at home, I wouldn't know what to do with it anyways. I'm just an idiot trying to open a phone. Eventually, I managed to pry the screen off while keeping all my fingers, and this was what it looked like on the inside. So, not so pretty after all, eh? Looking like a stolen car that was lit on fire after a crime was committed. No wonder the buttons didn't work. I mean, look at how it's supposed to look like and look at what we've got here. Damn! Now, normally, a professional would use gloves when getting their fingers involved, but hygiene and cleanliness is overrated. Remember me as the man that sacrificed himself for the entertainment of his audience, and put me up there with John Jones as one of the GOATs. As you can see, a lot of gunk is between the gaps of the phone, mostly made up of sand and salt. A quick use of my trusty knife shows you how much crap is in there. The phone must have been sitting in the water for hours because look at how much salt managed to penetrate into the hardware. The phone is sort of disintegrating every time I move the knife around, and it's pretty crazy because it just shows you how much salt can end up in your phone if you leave it in salt water for long enough. So yeah, lesson learned. Keep your phones out of your pockets when you go swimming, guys. It's bad for you. And your phone. More importantly, your phone. Right, so what you're seeing is a primate trying to solve his problems using tissues. I spent like 30 minutes doing this, and I don't wish to talk much about how futile this attempt was at cleaning the phone. At this point, I'm not even sure why I'm prolonging this video. We already saw what it looks like on the inside. So, what are we doing? Why am I now pouring more water over it? What's the goal here? What's the purpose of living? Does anyone have an answer? Please help. I'm on the other side of this screen. I don't know what's going on. Oh my god, again with the knife. Dude, okay. Bro, you have to admit you have a problem. Okay, this is not healthy. Why? Oh wow, it looks pretty good. I'm not cleaner than before, but it's alright. It's still a bit dirty, but hey, that's alright. Oh, what are we? Oh, the knife's back. Okay. I guess the battery's coming out now, and yep, it's out. That's the battery. All its glory. That's the battery, guys. Wow. Even under the battery, the seawater manages to get through. It looks super gloopy. Yuck. Oh my god, the tissues are back. Okay, I'm ending it there before super glue gets introduced. Thank you all for watching. As you already knew before the video started, seawater ruins the iPhone, so no surprise there. Catch me next time where I travel the earth in search of the meaning of life. Thank you again, like and subscribe for my sanity, and I'll see you guys next week. Ciao ciao.